PPO's smart imaging system combines hyperspectral imaging, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and data analytics to find very small, low-density foreign materials in your product stream. Legacy detection systems, such as X-ray and metal detection, aren't effective for the wide variety of foreign objects that are difficult to see in a fast-moving beef production line. The result? Bacon processors are faced with lost product, brand damage, and even costly recalls. PPO's smart imaging system uses hyperspectral imaging to see what other systems miss, including plastic, cardboard, wood, and more, down to very small sizes. Proven on beef processing lines, the system uses advanced AI and machine learning to detect contaminants with high accuracy, and real-time inline analysis ensures rejections can be viewed immediately without slowing down production. Designed to work in harsh environments, PPO's smart imaging system is proven where it matters most, on the plant floor. Its watertight, fully sealed design withstands the toughest washdown routines and all common sanitation practices. These FMs would have always been in our product. There is no other way to find them, except with a PPO system. Working with the Smart Imaging System, PPO Insights software provides real-time, line-level data with an easy dashboard to track quality metrics and foreign material incidents. Wow, I can't even see it, but PPO nails it every time. I'm a PPO believer. You can't argue with these results. This is very impressive. Proven foreign material detection for beef processors. Learn more at ppo.ca.